Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change a language back to English on Indeed. For example, right here, this is Indeed.com and currently it's displaying it to me in Swahili. Okay, that is the language of my country. So if you want to change this to English, what you do is this. You can either come here and right click and scroll down and click on Translate to. So you can choose English right here, but since that is not showing, what you need to do is come here, click on the three dots at the top right, go ahead and scroll down. We want to go to our settings, okay? Because there's actually no option to do this directly through Indeed.com. There's no option right there. You need to do this to your Chrome, okay? So once you're in settings, scroll down, select languages. And what you want to do, guys, is you want to select your preferred language to be English. Make sure that is your preferred language. Make sure this is checked. Display Chrome in that language. And then you want to use Google Translate and translate into this language. So automatically you want it to be English. So you can go ahead and search for English right here. And then this should save automatically once you, for example, go ahead and close that. Now, if I go back to this page and I refresh it, as you can see, it has changed back to English. Really, that is simple. So I hope this video helped you guys.